connected.
What's up, everybody? It's dafobra out here with Marquez NYC Moto, and we're on our way to Triumph of Brooklyn. And this is also the first time I'm going to be using this GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. See how the Hyper Smooth works, and just check out how the audio and video is. So Mark has been invited, because that's how he rolls, to shoot a brand new bike over there. What bike are you going to be shooting?
I don't even know.
Is it the T128?
No, it's some custom paint job.
Custom paint job. So he's an amazing photographer, and I suggest that you give him a check out on Instagram. I'll put a link down below or throw it on the screen or something like that. A very talented photographer. So hopefully we'll have a good time. We are on the Long Island Expressway. It is frigid cold, so we're not on the bike. And yeah, let's get over there. So we're here at Triumph Brooklyn. This is the custom bike that Mark is going to be taking pictures of today. Beautiful, beautiful Triumph bobber. So let's take a look in the showroom. So right here we have a brand new Tiger 800 XR, one of my favorite bikes. XR gives you the cast wheels versus an XC variant, which gives you the spoked wheels, better for off-road. Really like this bike. This might be my next bike, you never know. Here's a Tiger 1200. You can see in size it's a lot bigger than the other one. A lot of gadgets, a lot of electronics on these bikes. Oh, here's the type of wheels you'll find on a XC. See, they're spoked, better for off-road. Not really my cup of tea. Speaking of my cup of tea, Street Triple RS. Amazing motorcycle. This is a beautiful Thruxton R. Mark took a picture of it last time we were here. It is absolutely magnificent. Cool thing about this right here, this is their service bay. This actually rises up out of the ground, and they can access service below it, bringing bikes up and down. Tons of selection here down at Triumph Brooklyn. Always love coming down here, talking to Brian, guys over here. It's Mark shooting that beautiful bobber. Look at that tank. And even serious. Got a shot of it out over here. Amazing detailing and paint work on this bike. Really good looking motorcycle. today at Triumph Brooklyn, checking out their new bikes. And we'll see them in a couple of weeks when we go to the New York International Motorcycle Show. It's going to be at the Javits Center. We will be there. Hope to see you there. If you do see us there, stop by and say what's up. It should be a good time. And thank you very much for watching. And ride safe, everybody. I'll see you.